Hey, what's up, guys? So if you got the G Stylo when it first came out, you may have had this issue where the camera started glitching. At least the rear-facing camera started to glitch every now and then, and eventually it comes to a point that when you launch the camera in the rear-facing mode, it has a black screen, and then all of a sudden you get that the camera failed and it closed. Now, you can try different methods. Some of the ones that I found on XDA to kind of repair that issue. It could be software, but if you've tried everything, if you tried, clearing out the data and force closing the app, rebooting the phone, if you've tried going to recovery and wiping cache and rebooting the phone, and none of that seems to repair your rear-facing camera, obviously, then your rear camera is dead. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to replace the rear-facing camera, ordering one, getting it in the mail, and then switching the rear cameras out. And so I'm going to show you guys that in the video, how I did it. And that way, if you guys are brave enough to take apart your phone and to switch the rear camera sensor, you guys pretty much will have like a guideline walkthrough on how to do it. So let's dive right in right now. And so that's pretty much what I did to get the camera working again. So you guys can see I launched my camera right now, and it was going to show the front-facing camera, and I'll switch it, and now you guys can see my rear camera is working. So um, keep airplane mode on. So yeah, pretty much works. And oh, there you go. So yeah, pretty much works. Got it fixed. There it goes. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. If you guys this video is helpful. I lost train of thought there. This video is helpful. Drop me a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And you guys will see me in the next one. Bye.